Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we pick apart products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into a smartphone showdown between the Apple iPhone 12 mini, Product A, and the Samsung Galaxy S22, Product B. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, the price. Because who doesn't love starting with the thing that makes you cry inside? The iPhone 12 mini comes in at a cool $311. Not too shabby for a phone that could fit in your pocket and your budget. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 is $379. A bit pricier, but hey, maybe it comes with a free hug from the cashier? So if you're ballin' on a budget, the iPhone 12 mini takes this round. But let's see if the extra bucks for the Galaxy S22 are worth it. Next, let's talk about displays, because who doesn't want to see their selfies in high definition? The iPhone 12 mini has a 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display. Fancy name? Tiny screen. Perfect for those with dainty fingers or those who like to squint. On the other hand, the Galaxy S22 flaunts a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Sounds like a spaceship, right? It's basically a mini IMAX in your pocket. So if you're into binge-watching Netflix or just want to show off, the Galaxy S22 is the clear winner here. Moving on to the cameras. Because, let's be honest, this is the real reason we buy phones: to take a million pictures of our pets. The iPhone 12 mini has a solid camera setup, but Apple didn't bother to tell us the megapixels. Whispers. It's 12 megapixels, but don't tell anyone. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 comes with a whopping 50 megapixels camera. Yes, you heard that right, 50. It's so powerful, it might just capture the meaning of life in one shot. If you're a photo fanatic, the Galaxy S22 is your new best friend. Now, let's talk battery life. Because nobody wants a phone that dies faster than a mayfly. The iPhone 12 mini is tested for battery health and guaranteed to have a minimum of 80% capacity. Translation: it'll last long enough to send a few texts and maybe check Instagram. The Galaxy S22, on the other hand, is packing more juice than a fruit stand. With a bigger battery and faster charging, it's ready to go the distance. So if you're tired of being tethered to a charger, the Galaxy S22 takes this one hands down. The iPhone 12 mini has been praised for its great condition and satisfactory performance, though some users noted minor issues, like occasional dark screens and a need for more frequent charging. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is lauded for its cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and advanced camera capabilities. However, some users faced issues with Wi-Fi connectivity and minor blemishes. And there you have it, folks. The iPhone 12 mini may be small and mighty, but the Galaxy S22 is the heavyweight champ in this battle. Whether you're Team Apple or Team Android, both phones have their perks. But if you're looking for sheer power and performance, the Galaxy S22 is your go-to. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown. And drop a comment below. Are you Team iPhone or Team Galaxy? Until next time, smart buyers, stay savvy. Product links are in the description.